Assalamualaikum and hi. Today my group and I will present our project which is Reka and Bina IBS panel camera system. For your information, we are from group 17. My group have 5 members, which is me, Muhammad ZAIHAN. The second one is HUMAIRA binti TARMIZI, and the third one is AISYAH binti HISHAM. The fourth is INTAN FATIHA binti SYAHMI, and the last member is FATIN binti ZAINUDIN. So this is our content in this presentation. So I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, now I will explain our project background. So our group has approached a construction company which named Reka and Bina IBS to be our target organization and also our end user for our system. So we developed a system called Reka and Bina IBS Panic Clinic System. So it is a web-based system which can help admin to register staff treatment usage, manage staff and panel cleaning information, also generate reports. So the system will provide the easiest form interface that possible for users in effort to facilitate the users, also known user-friendly interface. So next.
Okay, I will present about problem statement. First, the problem is information update delay. Second, staff working overtime. And the last is possible data transcription errors. Next. Okay, this is our objective of the project. The first objective is to design an efficient and user-friendly web-based Reka and Bina IBS benefit system. The second objective to develop web-based Reka and Bina IBS system using Apache as the server, MySQL server for database, bracket for the IDE, and Xen for the web server, and HTML, PHP, CSS, and JavaScript for the programming language. And the last objective is to test the usability of the web-based Reka and Bina IBS benefit system to target the user. Next is about literature review. Okay, this is our data gathering method, which is we do the interview session. Okay, next. Okay, this is the existing system. In the current system, every time the staff are using the clinic treatment, the staff need to inform the admin, which is HR staff of the company. Okay, then the admin will key in the information from the clinic invoice using Excel. The company is still using Excel. By using a formula in the Excel, the Excel will calculate the total treatment for each staff. Then, if the total treatment exceeds the allocation, the salary of staff will be deducted. Otherwise, the admin will pay the total treatment to the clinic based on the payment type. After that, the admin needs to generate a report for the annual meeting and pay. Okay, next I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So we did a comparison before creating this system. This aim to identify the weakness that can be overcome. So we compared two systems that are similar to our project, namely the system e-panel clinic Majlis Bandaraya Putrajaya Jaya and e-care. We looked at the comparison in terms of system architecture and design, functionality, performance and security and privacy. So in terms of system architecture and design for e-panel clinic system, Majlis Bandaraya Putrajaya Jaya have a 5 model, which is user profile, dependent information, user treatment record, panel list and channel password, and all pages connected using navigation bar. And for EK have same 5 model with MBPJ e-panel clinic and all pages connected using navigation bar. For our project, which is Reka and Bina IBS benefit system, has 4 main models, which is dashboard, panel management have a panel clinic list and staff usage, and the third is report have a panel clinic list and staff usage, and the lastly is staff information and all pages connected using navigation bar. So next to the second terms, which is functionality. So for system e-panel clinic, Majlis Bandaraya Putrajaya Jaya does not offer edit or delete function. User can only display their panel clinic usage information and information related to the panel clinic, can view yearly and monthly treatment record, and lastly is direct and easy interface. For EK have offer CRUD function. User can print the information in table form. The third is direct and easy interface, and the lastly using icon for CRUD function. And for our project have provide SURD function. User can print the information in table form. The third is using color button for CRUD function, and the last is provide filter function. So next to the next term, which is performance. For MBBJ system independent can be accessed from the website and mobile application and handle large amount of data. For EK, can be accessed from website only and handle dynamic data which can be updated on real-time performance. And our project can be accessed from the website, and the second handle dynamic data which can be updated on real-time performance. And the last term is security and privacy. For MBBJ system panel clinic, provide data protection by providing login page to authorized user, and user need to key in identification card number as username and workers number as the password. For the e-care, provide data protection by providing login page to authorized users, and for our project, provide login page. Only admin can access the system and use unique username and password. So I think that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, I will present about normalization 1NF, which is in 1NF, each column contains atomic value and one type of data and unit name. In this case, the table has the following attribute, which is bill and number are served as primary key, and these attributes are include tahun, nombor visa, nombor telefon, peruntukan, bilik klinik, nama klinik, tarikh rawatan and jumlah rawatan. The partial dependency is bill determines tahun, nama, nombor visa, nombor telefon, bil klinik, nama klinik, tarikh rawatan, jumlah rawatan. And second partial dependency is nama determines nombor visa, nombor telefon and peruntukan. The transitive dependency is bill klinik determines nama klinik. Second is 2NF, which is the table in 2NF is in 1NF, and all non key attributes are fully functionally depend on entire primary key. And the provide diagram contains two tables, which is penggunaan staff and maklumat staff. And in table penggunaan staff includes attribute which is bill, tahun, nama, nombor visa, nombor telefon, bil klinik, nama klinik, tarikh rawatan and jumlah rawatan. The partial dependency is bill determines tahun, nama, nombor visa, nombor telefon, bil klinik, nama klinik, tarikh rawatan, jumlah rawatan. And the transitive dependency is bil klinik determines nama klinik. Second table is maklumat staff, which is include nama, nombor visa, nombor telefon and peruntukan. And the partial dependency is nama determines nombor visa, nombor telefon and peruntukan. Next is third 3NF, which is a table in 3NF is in second normal form, which is 2NF and non-transitive dependency. And the table is maklumat staff include bill klinik and nama klinik, and the dependency is bill klinik determines nama klinik. And this is the completed database, which is penggunaan staff, maklumat staff, user and klinik. Next is I pass to the next presenter.
Now I will explain our database design, which is ERD. So there are four entities, which is staff information, user, clinic information, and also staff usage. So the relationship between staff information and the user is one or many relationships. So staff information is managed by only one user, and one user is managed by one or many staff information, while the user and the clinic information, the relationship is one to many relationship, which is a user will manage one or many clinic information, and each clinic is managed by only one user. And user and also staff usage, the relationship between that is that user will manage one or many staff, and also staff usage will be managed by only one user. And then lastly, the relationship between clinic information and also staff information is one or many relationship. So this shows that each clinic will use one or many staff usage data, and each staff usage data can be used by one or many clinics. So that's for the ERD. I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, next I will do the system demonstration. Okay, so now I will be presenting the system demonstration. So this is the login page for our system, and the admin need to enter the username and also the password, and then click login. So after login, the admin can choose two categories, which is clinic panel management and also staff information. So for clinic panel management, it holds all the data of the staff usage clinic panel, and also for the staff information category, it holds all the data list under Reka and Bina IBS company. So let's say we choose staff information category first. So here, it holds all the list of the staff, and the admin can register staff, edit or delete the staff. So let's say we have a new staff and we register the new staff, and then her name is Amina. We can put the visa or IC number and also the phone number. So for the allocation, we fixed to 200 because each staff can only have 200 ringgit Malaysia as their allocation. So click register. So you can see the data successfully registered, and also it appears here at the staff list Aminah that we registered just now. So we can also see here at the maklumat staff, Aminah also been added, and let's say we want to edit her phone number to 1221221, and we click update. So data successfully updated, and we can see the data here updates also in the database here 1221. So let's say we want to delete the stuff under Amina. So we can click delete, and data successfully deleted. So here there is no more Amina, and also here there is no more Amina. That is for staff information. And for the report, the admin can view the report and export the report in PDF format or Excel format. You also have the tutorial video, which is the introduction video, and also the tutorial video how to use this system. So next we go to clinic panel management category. So we have dashboard here where the administrator can view the usage of each staff. So let's say we search Nasir staff, and he already used 113 as their total treatment and 87 balance from the 200 allocation. So we are under panel management, we have clinic and staff usage. So for panel management clinic, this it holds all the data list of the panel clinic under Reka and Bina IBS. So the administrator can also add clinic, edit and delete clinic. So we want to add the clinic panel. We can say clinic touch as the name, clinic name, and Tajudin, address, phone number, PIC. We can put dash if the clinic doesn't have any PIC, or we can put name. So let's say we put dash, and this is the each panel clinic have different payment type, which can be transfer or check or cash. So let's say we put cash here. So we put dash since the payment type is cash, doesn't need account or account number. So we put click add, and data successfully registered. So here we can see the data we registered just now and slash here. So the admin can also edit and delete. So let's say we edit the data, the clinic touch, into clinic Tajudin, and we change it to transfer type. So we can enter the account number here. For example, this one, and account owner, let's say Dr. Tajudin, and we click edit. The data successfully updated, and we can also see that here the data also update that we changed just now. So in the database, the data also updated. So we can see here CIMB data clinic Tajudin. Administrator can also delete the clinic panel list. And here we doesn't have anymore the clinic Tajudin. The next is staff usage. So this is the list of staff usage that they already use the panel clinic management. So every time staff use the panel clinic, they need the administrator need to register the staff. So let's say we choose year 2034, staff name is Rudy or Ali bin Abu, and it will automatically insert the visa or IC number and phone number. Then we can choose the clinic he used, for example, Palani, and treatment date, let's say today, and total treatment is 25 ringgit. So we click add. The data successfully registered. And we can also see here that the data registered here. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so here. Okay, next we can see the data also updated here. So we can also edit the data, and we can also delete the data. Let's say we want to edit, change it to 35, supposedly the total treatment. And we can see the data already updated here. We can also delete the data. So the data doesn't belong here anymore. So we also have report for the final clinic management, for clinic list, and also the staff usage. So for clinic and staff usage, it can also be exported into PDF or Excel format. So for staff usage report, we have two categories, which is name search or year search. So for name search, we can find, for example, Nasti, the staff name. So we can see the total treatment and balance and total treatment he used. Next is category under year search. You can find, for example, 2024. And it will display the 2024 usage. So the tutorial is the same as the staff information category just now. So that's all for our system, and the admin can also log out from our system.
Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.